Thank you for joining this yoga session with me. Today, we will use yoga strap to leverage to 3 times the result for a deep, relaxing stretch on the hamstring and hips while protecting our lower backs. So we will find our position to lie on the supine position and just find your comfortable place. And before we start on the stretching, we're going to do a simple bridge pose. So put our straps on the side for now and bend our knees, feet on the mat. We're gonna raise our hips slowly up and down, as slow as you can, to warm up the lower back and SI joint or sacrum. And we'll maintain that deep inhale and exhale. Bring our knees and give ourselves a hug. And raising our legs to the ceilings. And grab the strap. I will strap it along the back of the feet. And grab hold of it and bring it closer to us. And knees, try to be straight as possible. And deep breath here. We can also optionally put the strap onto the back of our head for a deep relaxation on the mind as well. So literally, we feel the connection between our mind and our body and sink into. You can adjust the position of the strap so that you won't slip off and have enough torque and resistance. I found this pose with the strap is deeply calming, relaxing on the mind. You can swing side to side and close your eyes to tuning in. Adjust the strap as you wish so that you find the best length of the strap so you are more at ease. Can go deeper into the pose. Continue that deep inhale and exhale. When you're ready, release the strap and bring one leg onto the mat. And bring one leg closer to your torso. Maintain that deep inhale and exhale. With the strap, we have a better sense of control in our deep stretch, and it will maximize the results with time. Next, we'll bring our torso up, head or chest toward the knees. This is the ab component of this restorative yoga. And we'll slowly bring back down. Relax and take deep breathings here before we come back up one more time. Maintain that deep inhale and exhale. Go as far as you feel comfortable. Continue deep inhale and exhale. You can open your mouth to exhale, to exit out all the stored tensions, mentally and physically. Next, we'll bring our legs to the side of the mat. When you're ready, use the strap to control the motion and the depth of the pose. The other hip stay on the mat as much as possible. Stay here, breathe. Tuning in while we holding the pose. Tuning out the outside world. You can close your eyes and give yourself permission to relax here, to restore and recharge. Next, we'll bring the leg to the opposite side. We fold over slowly, maturely. Hold on to the strap. Let the gravity do its work, and just as necessary, the legs on the mat can be straight or can be bent, depends on how you feel today. You can face in the opposite directions. And breathe. Same length of inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. When you're ready, you'll bring back to the ceiling. Tighten the strap. Relax here for a quick moment. Then we'll switch legs. Make sure your lower back is firmly onto the mat. You can rotate your ankles. And bring our upper body to the leg. This time I'm holding my shins to get maximum depth. So one more time, tighten your core, and we're reaching chest to the knees, and knees to the chest, or forehead to the shin bones. Embrace. Slowly release back to the mat. Take deep inhale and exhale here. Thinking about the knees straight as much as possible. You're deep stretching your hamstring. Next, we'll bring our legs to the side, using the straps to control the depths, how far you will go. Adjust, find your depths, find your edge. Using the straps to give you a sense of better control while relaxing into the stretch. This is a hip opener while protecting the lower back. And deep inhale and exhale once you find the perfect position for you. Slowly bring back to the center. Now my dog shows up, and sorry for his popping up on the screen, but he's good. He's not going to interfere much of our session. So now we are on the swing the legs to the opposite, folding into the opposite side, using the strap to assist you. And deep breath. When you're ready, slowly bring the leg back to the center. Maintain the deep inhale and exhale. Loosen the hold of the strap, bring leg onto the mat. Before we go into Shavasana, we just windshield wiper, open the knees, relax the sacrum, relax the lower back, relax the hips. Before we relax fully to the Shavasana, legs straight, close eyes just for a few moments. If you have time at home, stay here longer to integrate what we have just stretched and worked on. When you're ready, bend our knees. Transition to the side of the body before we're going up to the seated position. Thank you for joining the session again. If you enjoyed today's session, please subscribe, comment, and like or share.